We'll guide you through how to fix the sound not working on an iPad. If you find this useful and it solves the problem, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This can be a frustrating problem because you're wanting to go and have sound come out of your iPad and it's not. To get started, come to the top right of the iPad and drag down the battery. This will go and open the control center. Do just make sure the volume is turned up by using this bar here. Next, go and try turning off silent mode. If this bell is highlighted and it's red, this means it's on, it's now off. Go and see if that solves it. If you find that it's happening with a certain app, I'll use Drive an example, you go and swipe up on the app like so from the bottom, and you want to go and completely close it. Then what you can try doing is reopening it up and see if it now works. If it still doesn't, come to your settings, find Bluetooth and try turning it off in case you're trying to connect to a Bluetooth device. Next, you can come and scroll down and come down to sounds. If it's a ringtone and alert, try increasing this in case it's very low. Hopefully that works. If this still doesn't, try doing a restart. Press the rocker to the left, then to the right, and tap and hold this side button like so, which is the power button, and keep this held down. Only release it when you see the Apple icon. When it comes back on, hopefully the problem's solved.